Hello guys, Asif here from Asif Reviews. Today we are reviewing Web Agency Fortune Volume 5. So let's start the review. So it's our third video. In the first two video we have covered its sales video, and in the second video we have covered its demo video. So guys, if you want to watch these, you can check the link in description box. And in this video we will cover remaining all important things about Web Agency Fortune Volume 5. Also cover the bonuses provided by me and by owner of the software. So let's start. So Web Agency is an incredible offer for agencies and local marketers to get high paying clients. Create stunning and professional business websites in 3 steps. No design skills required. 100% done for you. WordPress page, mobile optimized and ready to sell in minutes. Start your own website agency in minutes from now and profit from Revit buyers. Commercial license included. Sell to clients immediately. In this software, you will get 8 stunning website templates, 100% customization, create and install within minutes, built for WordPress, easy to use, commercial license included, commercial rights included, no skill, no design skill or coding ever, content plus sales video included. So guys, if you are interested in buying Web Agency Fortune, you can check the link in description box, and it also comes under 14-day money back guarantee. So don't worry if you are not satisfied with its services, you can refund, and the owner of this product will definitely refund you with no question asked guarantee. So let's discuss about bonuses. I'll provide you some problem solving bonuses. Those will definitely help you to achieve you more in your life. The bonus number 1 is how to achieve more in less time. Guys, we all know that we want more in less time, but we are unable to do because we don't get more knowledge to improve us. So through this course, you will have a good vision how to achieve more in less time. And the bonus number 2 is why people fail in affiliate marketing. Guys, out of 197% people fail in affiliate marketing. So guys, if you are one of them, then you must watch this course. And bonus number 3 is how to increase your productivity. So guys, we all know, we all are busy, but we all are not productive. When you will be productive, you will definitely achieve your goal. So if you have any problem related to busy, then you need to shift busy to productive. So I recommend you watch this course definitely. And the bonus number 4 is how to manage your time wisely. As we all have only 24 hours, and some people grow on the other side, remaining go means if you are not able to manage your time wisely, then you have always shortage of time. So you have to manage your life if you want to be successful. So guys, if you want to grab all these bonuses, you just need to you just need to purchase Web Agency Fortune through the link given in the description box of this video, and you have to share the payment proof on my Instagram. Over there I will share all these bonuses. So guys, don't wait and don't delay to grab all these bonuses, because These four courses will definitely change your life. I guarantee. So don't wait and don't delay. So let's back on review. These are some three steps. Step 1, pick a niche in our collection of DFY niche website templates. Step 2, install our stunning website templates and customize in minutes. And step 3, sell and profit from local businesses and by selling on freelance sites. So guys, basically you just need to sell all these websites of those people who have old websites, who those websites are not getting results. Through that you can customize and improve, and you can get commission or you can sell directly. Let's know more about this. You have these options, so you can sell the website to the family doctor, real estate, landscaping, locksmith, and veterinarian, bakery, agency style 1, agency style 2, and manure. And don't forget design, graphics, image selection, and even content is all included. So you not need to do anything. So these are some testimonials. So let's see more about this. These are examples. 3-page WordPress website sold for 1500 $1,595. One more example. They sold this website only on $1,390. One more. We can check all these. So here are some reasons why businesses are craving help with their websites. 81% of people research a business or service on the internet prior to the making a purchase decision. That's 25.9292 million people searching for businesses online. If a business doesn't have a website, they have no chance at capturing a share of this market. So your website is available 24/7 and 365 days, even when you are not. So that is an interesting thing. So let's see more about this. So check out what web agency Fortune is bringing to the table for you. Everything done for you, install in a few minutes, customize with the visual builder, unlimited color control, built-in speed optimization, unlimited Google font integration, focused on mobile responsiveness, multi-page website designs, custom header and footer, custom blog post and templates, complete logo and menu control, complete typography control, built-in stunning sliders, custom CSS control, built-in responsive editing, drag and drop website building, global elements and styles, undo, redo and revisions, save and manage your designs, easy to duplicate everything. So guys, these all options you will get inside the web agency Fortune. It's demo video. I have already uploaded this if you want to watch. So install WordPress and the WordPress theme provider, import the pre-made template files to the website, import the XML file for the website content, and beautiful functional local business website is ready. So guys, here's the important thing, the bonuses provided by the web agency software owner. The bonus number 1 is powerful web design agency website. We also want you to be able to sell all those websites easily. Therefore, we are including the professional web design agency website for you, optimized to help you sell your website templates quickly and easily. So the bonus number 2 is done for you, sales video. And now we want to totally over deliver and turn this into a full blown done for you web design agency for you. So US voiceovers and UK voiceovers. And the bonus number 3 is extra training. So guys, the total you will get inside web agency Fortune volume 5 today. The 6 stunning business website templates, 2 high converting agency websites, 2 professional sales video, US and UK voiceover. Each template is 100% customizable, WordPress based and SEO friendly, fully mobile optimized, autoresponder integrations, step by step tutorials, content management training, dedicated support, no coding, no headaches, unlimited commercial license, unlimited websites, unlimited clients, and 30 days money back guarantee. Only in $26.95. So, guys, if you are interested in buying Web Agency Volume 5, so you can check the link in the description box, and also don't forget to grab my all these bonuses. Those are free. You just need to share the payment proof on my Instagram. You will also get the link in the description box of my Instagram account. You can follow that too. So thanks for watching my video, and change your life with my bonuses, if even they work or not, because these all 4 bonuses are necessary in everyone's life. Maybe this not if you are not an affiliate marketer. So thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel, and also leave a comment if you have any suggestion or any question. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.